Hello students, a very good morning to you all. Today, as a part of revision, we are going to do chapter number 4, the Plateau and the desert regions. We have done previously, but since unit tests are going to approach, we are going to do continuous revision so that we can perform well. The Plateau and the desert regions. The Plateau region. A plateau is an area of flat land which is higher than the land around it. It is also called tableland. So this is the meaning or the answer of the question, what is a plateau? Okay, if you got to write the meaning, then you have to write plateau is an area of flat land which is higher than the land around it. It is also called a tableland. Now, the Plateau region of India extends from the south of the northern plains to the southern tip of India. Because it is extended till the southern tip of India, it is also called the southern plateau. There are several hill ranges in the Plateau region. The Aravalli range in the northwest, the Rajmahal hills in the northeast, and the eastern Ghats in the east, and the western Ghats in the west. The region is rocky and uneven. It is not flat. It is rocky. The states of Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and the eastern part of Kerala lie in this region. These all states are falling under the region of the Plateau area or the southern plateau. Now the river Narmada, which falls in Gujarat, our own state. The river Narmada divides the Plateau region into two parts, the Central Highlands in the north and the Deccan Plateau in the south. The top region is known as Central Highlands and the lower part is known as the Deccan Plateau in the south. Now, if we talk of Central Highlands, the Central Highlands include the Malwa Plateau in the central India and the Chota Nagpur Plateau in the east. As discussed earlier, there are three rivers which are originating from Central Highlands, that are Chambal, Betwa and Son. These three rivers originate. Originate means to start. Their starting point is Central Highland area. They flow northwards and join the Ganga and the Yamuna. The Narmada and the Tapi rivers begin in the Vindhyas hills and flow westwards into the Arabian Sea. The Malwa Plateau is bounded by the Aravalli hills in the northwest and the Vindhyas in the south. It has fine black soil which is ideal for growing cotton and oil seeds. In this soil, cotton and oil seeds grow very well. That is black soil. So it is very fertile, good for growing cotton and oil seeds. The Chota Nagpur Plateau has rich deposits of coal, iron ore, manganese, bauxite, mica and other minerals. These minerals are found in the Chota Nagpur Plateau. Now, the Deccan Plateau. The region south of the river Narmada and the Satpura range comprises the Deccan Plateau. It is the largest plateau in India. Which is the largest plateau in India? Deccan Plateau. The plateau is bounded by the Western Ghats in the west and Eastern Ghats in the east. The Western Ghats are a long range of hills. There are many hills which are found on the Western Ghats. Now let us see which hills are found. They include the Nilgiris, the Annamalai hills and the Cardamom hills. The Eastern Ghats are not as continuous as Western Ghats. They are smaller hill ranges. Hills are there but smaller hill ranges compared to Western Ghats. Western Ghat has a long range. Nilgiris, Annamalai and Cardamom hills. Now did you know the term Deccan comes from the Sanskrit word Dakshin, meaning the south. The meaning of this word, that is Deccan, is south, and that is why I told you this plateau is also known as the southern plateau. Now, the rivers. The rivers of the south are fed by rain. They are not perennial rivers. We had learned the meaning of perennial. Perennial rivers are rivers which flow throughout the year. But these rivers of south are not perennial. They are flooded with water during and after the rainy season. Most rivers such as Godavari, Mahanadi, Krishna and Kaveri rise in the west and flow into the Bay of Bengal in the east. This is because the Deccan Plateau slopes from west to east. The Narmada and Tapi are the only two rivers which flow from east to west into the Arabian Sea. These two rivers, they flow towards the west and their water falls into the Arabian Sea. Dams have been built on the rivers. Why do we build dams? We built dams to store water. Now, they help in irrigation and also provide electricity. One Nagarjuna Sagar Dam is one dam which is built on river Krishna, and it is situated, this dam is situated on river Krishna. There are a number of waterfalls also in this region. One of the highest waterfalls in India is located on river Sharavati in Karnataka. It is Jog Falls. Jog Falls, as you can see in the picture also, they are the highest waterfalls in India. Please remember the question and pertaining to it would be the answer. So you have to read the textbook very carefully. Now the importance of the Plateau region. The climate in the Plateau region varies from place to place. Varies means changes, differs. The soil here is mostly black and red in color. As we discussed earlier, black soil is good for cultivation of cotton and oil seeds. Now let us see which crops grow. Groundnuts, rice, sugarcane, wheat and millets are some of the crops that are grown in the central regions. Most of the people in the Plateau region are farmers. They do farming. The Western Ghats and the northeastern part of the Plateau have thick forests. They provide valuable forest products such as different kinds of wood, fruits and medicines. There are large coffee, tea, pepper and rubber plantations in the Nilgiris. Nilgiris, that is the Western Ghats range, hill range lying in the Western Ghats. Many factories have also come up in the Plateau region, as it is a storehouse of minerals such as iron ore, gold, coal, copper and mica. Now let us talk about the important cities falling in this region. Hyderabad, Nagpur, Bhopal, Indore, Bangalore and Mysore. Here, as you can see, the picture of a tea estate in the Nilgiris. Now today, since you all are at home, when you would have been in school, we could have viewed this chapter also in the smart board. So today I have brought smart board to your home through your mobile. So attached here is a video taken from smart board for you for your extra knowledge. Please refer, read carefully. Thank you all. Continue to watch the video, please.
Social Science, the Southern Plateau. The Southern Plateau forms the heart and backbone of India. Apart from being the oldest part of India, it is the largest physical landform and is in turn divided into a number of smaller plateaus. A number of rivers crisscross the plateau, flowing in broad, flat valleys. A number of hillocks are situated in the interior of the plateau. Let us understand where this plateau is located in India and what are its boundaries. The southern plateau is located just south of the northern plains. On its east and west lie the coastal plains. The plateau's southwestern boundary is formed by the Western Ghats and its southeastern boundary is formed by the Eastern Ghats. The Great Thar Desert lies to its northwest. The river Narmada divides the entire southern plateau into two parts. The northern part is called Central Highlands and the southern part is called the Deccan Plateau. Let us first look at the Central Highlands. These highlands are bounded by the oldest mountain range in the world, namely the Aravallis. This mountain range was once as high as the mighty Himalayas, but with time the mountains have been eroded and today look more like hillocks. This mountain range was once as high as the mighty Himalayas, but with time the mountains have been eroded and today look more like hillocks. To the east of the Aravallis lies the Malwa Plateau and further east lies the Chotanagpur Plateau. The Satpura range lies between the river Narmada and Tapi. The rivers Chambal, Betwa and Son originate in the Central Highlands and flow north to join the Ganges as its tributaries. A plateau is a large flat area of land that is higher than the surrounding land. It is also called a table land. Malwa Plateau has black soil which is good for growing cotton, oilseeds, jowar and wheat. The Malwa Plateau also has the Panna diamond mines in the state of Madhya Pradesh. The Chotanagpur region is very large and covers parts of Jharkhand, Orissa, Bihar and Chhattisgarh. These regions get a good amount of rainfall and are thickly forested with teak and sal trees. Chotanagpur Plateau also has a lot of mineral deposits like coal, iron ore, aluminium, manganese and many more. Do you know? Narmada flows through a rift valley and this area of stunning beauty is called Marble Rocks. The entire Deccan Plateau slopes towards the east. This is why all the rivers, Mahanadi, Godavari, the Krishna and the Kaveri drain into the Bay of Bengal. Only two major rivers, Narmada and Tapi, drain into the Arabian Sea. Since all southern rivers are fed by rainfall, they tend to dry up during summers. The Western Ghats are higher and continuous as compared to the Eastern Ghats. The highest peak of Western Ghats is Anaimuri, while Mahendragiri is the highest peak of the Eastern Ghats. Do you know the Jog Falls on the Sharavati River in Karnataka is the highest waterfall in India? Nagarjuna Sagar Dam is one of the biggest dams here, used for storing water and providing electricity. The Deccan Plateau is rich in minerals such as iron, gold and mica. Do you know? The only gold mines of India are Kolar and Hutti in Karnataka. Crops like sugarcane and cotton grow well in the Deccan Plateau due to the fertile black soil. Do you know? years ago, there was volcanic action in the Deccan Plateau region, and those lava flows have broken down to give us the famous black soil. The Western Ghat region is noted for its variety in flora and fauna. Culinary spices have been cultivated in Kerala and neighboring regions from ancient times, and they are a characteristic of this part of India. Recap: the southern plateau is triangular in shape and the land is rocky and uneven. It is divided by the Narmada Valley into the Central Highlands and the Deccan Plateau. The Central Highlands include the Malwa Plateau and the Chota Nagpur Plateau and is bordered on the south by the Vindhyas mountain range and in the east by the Aravalli range. The Deccan Plateau is bordered by the Satpuras in the north and the eastern and western Ghats on two sides. The Deccan Plateau has the rain-fed rivers Mahanadi, Krishna, Godavari and Kaveri, which drain into the Bay of Bengal. Rivers Narmada and Tapi flow between the Vindhyas and Satpura ranges and drain into the Arabian Sea. The terrain is very rugged and is covered with forests. The Chota Nagpur and Deccan Plateaus are storehouses of minerals. The Deccan and Malwa plateaus have black soil suitable for growing cotton, sugarcane and oilseeds. Thank you. A presentation by Extra Marks.
Social Science. Life in Southern Plateau. Life for the people living in Southern Plateau region of India is very different. This area is undulating rocky plateau. The rainfall is less, so the vegetation consists of mainly deciduous forests. The 6 states falling in this region are parts of Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Maharashtra's capital Mumbai is the financial capital of India. Bollywood film industry is located here. A lot of cotton, sugarcane grows on the black soil, making Maharashtra rank as the second largest producer in India. Oranges from Nagpur are famous worldwide. Lavani, the dance form, and Tamasha, the dance drama, are hugely popular. In Maharashtra, festivals and food go together. Ganesh Chaturthi is celebrated with great gusto. During the festival, modak, a favorite sweet meat of Lord Ganesha, is made. Shrikhand, a sort of thick yogurt sweet dish, is a great favorite at weddings and the Dashera festival. The interior plateau area of the state has evolved its own distinct Varadi cuisine. Madhya Pradesh is located at the heart of India. Its capital city is Bhopal. The state is thickly forested and has famous wildlife sanctuaries home to the tiger like Bandhavgarh and Kanha. Chhattisgarh is a newly formed state whose capital is Raipur. The state is very rich in coal, iron ore, and so the mining industry is well developed. Karnataka's capital, Bangalore, is both the garden city and the silicon capital of India. The people speak Kannada. Large number of software firms are located in Bangalore. manufacturing, watches, and other electronic industries are well developed. The men are attired in lungis and shirts, while women wear saris. Beautiful silk saris are woven in this state. Women also wear flower garlands in their long hair. Mysore, Dharwad, and Hubli are major cities. The Vrindavan Gardens in Mysore is a major tourist attraction. The coffee, tea, and sandalwood plantations are important for the economy of the state. Karnataka is the only state in India where gold is found. It is the land of silk and sandal, of coffee and cardamom, of the 17-meter statue of Jain saint Gomteshwar and of Hampi. Karnataka possesses a rich cultural heritage. The folk theatre has an ancient and rich tradition. The two main forms being Yakshagan, which is similar to Kathakali of Kerala in the choice of its elaborate costumes and vigorous dancing. Andhra Pradesh has Hyderabad as the current capital, while Amravati is the proposed one. Some of the tourist spots in Andhra Pradesh are Rajahmundry City, Sriharikota, Satish Dhawan Space Center, Talakona, Maipadu Beach, etc. The Tirupati temple attracts millions of Hindu devotees from across India. Kuchipudi dance form has originated from this state. In Kuchelapuram village, where it originated around 300 BC, Brahmin men still perform this dance in the traditional manner. Do you know, Hyderabad is famous for pearls. A pearl is produced by the secretion of a mollusk. When a tiny irritant, like a sand particle, enters its shell, the mussel or oyster secretes a mineral around that particle, which later hardens to form a lustrous pearl. The people of Tamil Nadu speak Tamil, one of the oldest and most developed languages of India. Many Tamilians attach great importance to the wearing of sacred thread of the Brahmins and Mangalsutra, a special necklace, by women after marriage. Tamil Nadu's traditional dance is Bharatanatyam. Pongal is the main festival. South Indian cuisine is perhaps the hottest of all Indian food. Meals are centered around rice or rice-based dishes, accompanying rice or sambar, a lentil soup spiced with curry leaves, onion and chilies, and rasam, a hot sour soup like lentil dish, dry and curried vegetables and meat dishes, and a host of coconut-based chutneys and poppers. As India is a land where agriculture is the main occupation, changes in season plays a very important role for Indian farmers. Their lifestyle and celebrations are always linked to the seasonal landmarks in any year. Pongal is the popular harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. Pongal marks the auspicious beginning of Uttaravan, sun's journey northwards. Pongal festival lasts for 4 days. Celebrations include drawing of kolam, swinging and cooking of delicious pongal. Do you know, Tamil Nadu is famous for its Chettinad cuisine, which is extremely spicy and hot. Hyderabad in Andhra Pradesh had Nizams as rulers, and the regal Nizami food with its biryani, kebabs, exotic sweets is hugely popular. South Indians are great lovers of filter coffee. The houses are very typical. Telangana was formed on 2nd June 2014 with the city of Hyderabad as its capital. The state has a rich tradition in Varakatha, shadow puppet show, Peridi Shiva Tandavam, Gusadi dance and Kolatam. Charminar, Golconda Fort, Qutub Shahi tombs, Chau Mahalla Palace, Falaknuma Palace, etc. are some of the monuments. Industries in the state are automobiles and auto components industry, spices, mines and minerals, textiles and apparels, pharmaceutical, horticulture, poultry farming, etc. Recap. Parts of the states of Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu fall in the southern plateau region. Each, thank you, a presentation by Extra Mark.